Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet tutorials and free patterns. And today I'm bringing to you this impromptu little video. It's not the kind of usual video I would film, but I thought it would be fun to ask your opinions, so I'm back. And this is going to be about discontinued yarns. So it's no secret to you, if you've been following me for a while, that I have 3 or 4 yarns that I absolutely adore and that have been discontinued over the years, which is very annoying. And these classic yarns are so gorgeous, and I still feel the urge to crochet with these yarns. So let me know in the comments if that happens to you too. And I selected about 3 or 4 yarns that I absolutely adore and that I'm thinking about using for future tutorials, but I just wanted to get your opinion just because I don't want to create projects that people feel annoyed by, if that makes any sense. So I don't want people to click on a tutorial and love, you know, the thumbnail and the pictures and then click on the video and then be like, oh yeah, great, this is a tutorial, but we can't buy the yarn. That's the main reason why I've not yet used those yarns. And some of those yarns I'm struggling to find substitutes, so I might have to do more research online and then just say in the video you can substitute with this or that yarn. But let me know in the comments. So first off is this yarn, which is one of my all-time favorite yarns ever, which is Shawl in a Cake or Shawl in a Ball. I think that's like the even like older version of this one. I'm not even sure. But I have 3 balls of this yarn. And this is so gorgeous. This yarn is so beautiful. It's so amazing. It's just perfect. And even now when I'm on Pinterest and I see a shawl, a shawl, and I can see from the picture that it's been crocheted with this yarn, I click on the pin and I pin the pin, and I just love the project so much, and I just feel so much sadness that this yarn has been discontinued, because I feel I would be crocheting with this yarn so much. And this yarn, this color is called Opal, and obviously it's Shawl in a Cake by Lion Brand Yarn, and it's 440 meters, 150 gram ball, 61% cotton, 34% acrylic, and 5% other fiber. And this made this yarn so perfect for every season, because I find sometimes some yarns are really good but just for the colder months, especially if they contain wool or have like a fluffy kind of vibe. Sometimes I kind of feel that they're better just for one season, but this was actually really perfect around like the whole year, because it has that kind of fluffiness, but it's cotton. And it's really high quality and quite lightweight, so it was really perfect. Let me know if you adore Shawl in a Ball or Shawl in a Cake as much as I do. Do you still have some of those yarns in your house? Have you used them all? I feel like you can still buy them on Etsy. I know in Europe you can purchase these on Etsy, and I think on eBay. I'd have to check if you can buy them on Amazon, but let me know. I know I'm asking a lot of you, from you, but honestly, I would love to know your opinion. Would you enjoy a tutorial with this yarn? Because I would so enjoy making a tutorial using this yarn. So the second one I have is Shawl in a Ball, and this is the prehistoric version, the very, very old version of this yarn. And this is called Lotus Blossom, and in French, Fleur de Lotus. And as you can see, it contains like some kind of mauve and dark greens, and it's so pretty. It's 61% cotton and 34% acrylic and 5% other fiber. And I also have this one, which is Shawl in a Cake, and this is more like a green, and it's shade Jade Pool. And actually I have crocheted a really lovely scarf with this years ago. You can find it on my blog. I'll link it in the description box. It was really, really popular at the time. I made a scarf slash shawl and I called it the Jade Pool scarf, I think. And I must have had 2 balls and only used 1, and I just love it. So this is one of the discontinued yarns I would really love to crochet with. I'm probably going to be making a project, to be honest, because I just love this yarn too much. And so second up, I've already showed you this yarn 100 times. This is Caron Cotton Angel Cakes. As you know, this is one of my favorite yarns ever. And I feel like all of my favorite yarns always get discontinued, which is so irritating. As you can see, I have a lot of this yarn. I think I have more upstairs, which is really crazy to think. It's 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. It's a medium 4 yarn. My yarn inspirations. This is Color Heather, and I had showed you some squares that I made, so I'm definitely going to be using those squares for a tutorial one time, so I will be using them. I just need to find the time to kind of like remember what I did, how I crocheted the squares and write the pattern and everything. But yes, I still have this blue shade, and I've got this cream shade. I might use these together, and I might use this yarn for a cardigan. Let me know what you think. I know you've been always so kind to me, and you've always said that you would substitute without any problem, but please be honest and let me know if you do get annoyed when someone uses a discontinued yarn. I wouldn't be offended. And next up we've got this yarn. I actually just found this yarn in my stash just now before I filmed this video. I was regrouping all my discontinued yarns, which are all in the same section in my yarn stash, and I found this yarn, which is so pretty. I completely forgot I had this. It's called Comfy Cotton Blend by Lion Brand. I think it wasn't really one of their signature yarns. I think it was just like a seasonal one that they made, so I'm not as bothered that they discontinued it. It's called Soothing Lavender. It's considered a light 3 yarn. It's 50% cotton, 50% polyester, and as you can see, we can see a theme here. I'm loving the cotton, acrylic, polyester yarns. Apparently I have 3 balls of this one, and it's so pretty. I can really imagine a cardigan with this. Let me know what you would crochet with this. It's so pretty. Let me know if you still have any of these yarns in your house, and if you would use them, would you substitute them? Do you know a yarn that you know could be a good substitute for any of these? For example, Shawl in a Ball. I've been desperately looking online for a substitute and I've never found one. But if you know of one, please do let me know. And last but not least is this yarn, which is Caron Cloud Cakes. I have 2 balls of this. It's a humongous, actually, skein of yarn. I think it's 250 grams. I think this is the biggest skein of yarn I've ever seen. I have a ball in rich teal, and it's considered a medium full. It's 100% polyester. 760 yards per ball of yarn. I do have some grey left. I did use this yarn for the Catherine Sontag that I crocheted years ago. I'll link that in the description box. And I must have had some left, but this is practically an entire ball of yarn. I can tell I must have used a tiny bit. And this is Colour Cloud Grey. And I would love to use these yarns simply because I don't like waste and I just love them so much. So anyways, please leave me your opinion. It really matters to me to crochet projects that you enjoy making. I don't want to be crocheting projects that you don't want to make simply because the yarn's not available anymore. I don't know if this one's available actually. I think it could be. I'm not 100% sure. I think Caron just brings in yarns and then they're only available online sometimes and then you can buy them in the shops other times. So I'm not 100% sure. But anyways, thank you so much for watching and I hope this wasn't too tedious to watch. I really love having your opinion. It matters to me. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.